Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to activate the Santander Key in your mobile app, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1, open the Santander app and log in. Make sure you've updated the app to the latest version. Then log in using your username and password or biometrics. Step 2, go to Settings or Security. On the main dashboard, tap on Menu, then go to Settings and look for Security Options or Santander Key Activation. Step 3, start the activation process. Tap Activate Santander Key. You might be asked to verify your identity, either with a one-time password, OTP, your debit card details, or facial recognition. Step 4, set a 4-digit key code. Create a unique 4-digit security key. This will be used to authorize future transactions like payments and transfers. Step 5, confirm activation. Once set, the app will confirm that your Santander Key is now active. You may receive a confirmation email or notification as well. Step 6, test it out. Try making a small transfer or payment to ensure your new Santander Key works properly. Note, if you lose access to your device, you may need to reset your Santander Key through customer service or at a branch. And that's it. Your Santander Key is now active and ready to keep your banking safe in 2025. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more banking tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching.